to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and I'd like to show you this air fryer I have here and demonstrate it for you. Anyways, follow along with me and watch how I fry this here. And I ain't seasoned them yet, but I've hand cut these up. Anyways, what I was going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this thing, this air fryer, and how to make it work for cook fries. My first time doing it. Anyways, this thing to make fries. First thing, I mean, you don't have to put the whole, you don't have to, put in oil and stuff, but it does cost to put a tablespoon of oil, of olive oil. What I want to do is I want to take 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil and put that in there. That's 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to take a few handfuls of fries. They're not perfectly even because they're handmade. Put all this in here and I oiled it down very well. And I'm going to put it in the deep fryer and let it, we'll come back. What you want to do is set, okay, there you go. Anyway, you want to set it between 320 and 250 for 5 minutes. Put it on 5 minutes, and then put it on, and when it goes off, put it on 5 minutes again. And then after that, we're going to put it on 10 minutes, and then we're going to put it up to 390 or 400. That's what they look like when they're done. I just now got them out. Very delicious looking, I guess. Let's see what it tastes like. Not very crunchy, but still delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you did enjoy my videos, don't subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of videos. And y'all have a great day.